relatives. She's gonna try to call Mr. Krabs on me, y'all. She's gonna try to contact Bikini Bottom.
She's gonna call a phone number and ask, "Is this the Krusty Krab?" And the person who answered the phone will have a choice to make.
No, this is Patrick.
Hello everybody, welcome to Dallas. My name is Moore, and today we're looking at r/Tumblr, a place where the night vlogging is real, where the low-effort posts are heralded as the next great odysseys, and I just die a little bit inside every single time. Let's get right into it.
Just shower thoughts. It only takes 3 generations for you to be basically forgotten. Though that, to my great